Here on the Wix editor, to add the scroll effect, you can just click on any strip or any section that you like. For example, I want to add the scroll effect to this strip right here. Just click on the strip a few times. As you can see, it was a strip. And then to add the scroll effect, you can just click right here on the scroll effect icon. Just click on it and then choose any scroll effect that you would like. Either parallax, reveal, the 3D one, or anything that you like. Just click on one of them. For example, I want to choose on this 3D and then click on exit. And if I click on preview right here at the top right of my screen, so you can see it better, as you can see, there was a scroll effect right there. Beside the strip, you can also add it to the section. For example, this one was only a section. There are no strip or anything like that. Just click on the section until this change background appear, and then click on the background scroll effect. And you can choose one of them. So to add the scroll effect, there needs to be an element that fill up from the very left of your website to the very right of your website. For example, if I want to add the scroll effect on this section, if I click on it a few times, and then as you can see, I cannot just add the scroll effect. Instead, it say add a visible background to apply a scroll effect. So if you cannot apply the scroll effect, you just need to add an image or the video or any element that will be fill up all of your screen from the very right to the very left. But the very easy one to do this, you can just add a strip. So for example, I want to add a new section right here. And then to add the strip, you need to click on add element right here with the plus icon. And then on the strip, you just need to click on the strip and then choose any strip that you would like to add. For example, I want to choose on this one, click on exit, and then click on the add scroll effect icon, and then choose any scroll effect that was available. So the smaller the strip or any image or video on your website, the less of the choice of the scroll effect. And then keep in mind that the scroll effect are not displayed on the mobile version right here on the switch to mobile. And then sometimes the scroll effect cannot be added if the strip right here, for example, have a columns on it, but it was completely situational. And then if I click on preview right here, so you can see it better. As you can see, the strip or the section is having the background scroll effect. And there you go. And that's how to add scroll effect on Wix. And then fix issue cannot add scroll effect on Wix. If you still have any question about this, please leave a comment at the comment section and I will try my best to help you. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.